Hi, I'm Torres Phillips. So I teach Year 6 and I also coordinate diversity and equity at the school. I think what's pretty unique about St Andrews is the social justice programme. We have a club called Care Club and they can choose their social issues which they want to pursue.
I come to Care Club because I want to help people that don't really have enough money or things to help themselves.
I wanted to be in the rap garden group because I wanted to make change and show how Indigenous plants can impact our society.
Key element of Care Club is their voice and the student voice with regards to our Reconciliation Action Plan. So our RAP, our Reconciliation Action Plan, that's been going since about 2016. It's evolved quite a bit. We've had various actions which we've been successful with. So one of the key achievements that we've had of late is we've been able to translate our RAP working document into a booklet that the children can use. So this booklet is full of inquiry questions which relate to our actions in our RAP, but we cut out the middleman. So the children can literally pick up one of these books, they can pick a question and sort of keep going. So it really allows the children to be in the driving seat of reconciliation.